Hello friends, you're welcome to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create an impressive YouTube intro. But before we start, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload new videos, you'll be notified. So to create an impressive, stunning YouTube intro, you go to a website called canva.com. So when you come to canva.com, you click on create a design. You can see it here, create a design. So you come to video 1920 by 1080. So you click on video. When you click on video, it's going to display this page. You can see this is a blank page that we'll be working with. So what you're going to do on this page is that you can change the background color. You can see there are different colors here. You can decide to use this. You can decide to use any background color. So let's choose this one for instance. So after you have selected your background color, the next thing you're going to do is to come to where you have text. So click on text. You can see add a heading, add a subheading. I'm going to click on add a heading. So when you have this, you are going to type the title of what your video is all about. So here I'm going to type online importation business. So to make it more nice, you can arrange it like this. So the next thing you're going to do is to come to where you can see element. You can see element here. So click on element and look for an element that has something to do with, or that has, you can click on element that is related to what you are doing. So as someone who is into online business, you will need a laptop. So, or you can just come here and type online. When you come there, you can come here, you click on this and you come to where you can see animated, then click on apply filters. So when you do that, it's going to bring out different elements. So what you do is to click on any one of your choice. I'll be using this one because it's free. So let's click on the free element. You can see it's big. Let's reduce the size. You can see now that the element we have chosen is related to what we are doing. Importation business has to do with work from home, as you can see. So you can decide to add another element. It's up to you. But anytime you add an element, just come here, click on it and come and search for whatever you are adding. Online importation has to do with making money. So you can just look for another one. You can type money. Let's see. You can see. So let's click on this one. It's free. Click on it. Let's bring it down. Just put it where you think is going to be nice. Just as you can see now, I think it's okay like this. So this is the first page. The next page, if you are creating another page, you come to this plus sign here, which is add another page. So let's click on another page. We can change this background if you don't want to use it. Come to this place and let's change to another background. Let's pick this one. So the next thing you will do after you have selected your background is to come to text. Click on add a heading. Here you can just type step. You can type step by step tutorials on the next page. So here you can just drag it up a bit. The next thing is look for an element that talks about this. So you can just come here, click on elements that talks about that. Let's click on tutorial, step by step tutorial. So let's look for tutorial. It will get something. Okay, let's just pick this. Let's assume this is the image we want to use. Step by step tutorial. You can add as many as you like. You can even look for an arrow that points to the tutorial you are talking about, so that people will know that you're actually talking about tutorial. Let's pick this one. This is too big. You can just bring it here so that it points to the tutorial we are talking about. You can see that it's nice. You can change the text color. Come here, change the color of the text. Let's change it to white. Can you see? So you can change the color of the text. It's up to you. The next page, let's create one more page. I don't want the video to be too long, so let's create one more page. Let's change the background color to this. So on this page we are going to type, click on text and click on add the heading. Here you can just talk about your website. You can just say website address, then you can drag it up here. Then the next is you come here and put a subheading. Here you can just put your website address. This is my own website address, so you can visit it. The next, you can just add another text as just a detailed article is on our website. So here you can put your logo if you like. So the next thing is, if you click on the first page here, this is what it looks like. You can see it's just 5 seconds. You can increase the time. You can increase it if you like. This is the second page. The time is 8. If you like, you can reduce it, you can increase it. It's up to you. The next one is, this page is 5 seconds. You can increase it so that people can see your web address very well. So the next thing you want to do is you click on the first page. You want to animate each page. If you come to this one now, you can see. If you come here, you can see. So if you are using this one, you can see what it looks like. Let's come to this. You can see. If you come to this one, so let's use this one for the first page. On the first page. Now the second page, let's use Tumble. Let's use this one, second page, and the last page. Let's use. Okay, let's use this on the last page. Now our YouTube intro is ready. Let's play it and see what it looks like. Can you see that is nice? Very nice. Can you see? So the beauty of your intro is a function of how creative you are. So you have to be creative while designing your YouTube intro. So what you're going to do now is to click on download. It's free. Everything we are doing now is free. So when you click on download, you download it. You can see now it's going, it's being downloaded. It's going gradually. You can see now it has downloaded. It has downloaded. You can see. So what I want to show you now is how you can add it to your video. So you go to your video editor. This is my video editor. I'm using Clipchamp. So you can use Clipchamp if you like. You can use KineMaster. You can use InVideo. It's up to you. So what you're going to do now is very simple. You are going to add the video you want to. You are going to upload the video right here, and you are also going to upload the YouTube intro. So this, let's assume this is the intro. You click on the plus sign here. You can see now. If I play it now, you will see. Let's assume this is the intro. You can see it's playing. By the time it gets to the end, what you are going to do is to now add your video. You can see now. So it will soon end. So this is the end of the intro. So what you will now do here, by the time the intro ends here, you just click there and click on this plus to add your video. So if you look at it now, you discover that this is their meeting point. The intro is being added to the main video. So if I bring it here now and play it, you will see that it has been added to the video. Can you see? So that is how to add your intro to your video. Friends, if you have gotten any value from this video, please kindly click on the subscribe button. I want you to be a member of this family. I assure you that you will get and always get value for your time. Please, if you have not watched our previous videos, kindly search our channel to watch them. And I beg you in the name of God to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section, to ask your questions in the comment section, in the comment box. I'm going to answer all your questions. Like this video, share it, and I pray God will bless you. Thank you very much.